Yo, what's up, MCG family? This is Calvin with another video. Guys, look, today is a big day. I'm here at Attitude's Street Cars. I'm gonna get my first dyno pull on Red Queen. We're gonna see how much attitude that 454 really has. Let's go. All right, guys, before we do the first pour, ran into a little problem with one of the fuses under the hood. Check this out. All right, as you can see right here, it melted. So now we got to figure out how to get that fixed before we do the first pour. Yeah. As you can see right there. All right, guys, that was the first pour. Now we're gonna let the car chill, a little warm up, and we're gonna do the second pour. As you can see, it's back there, getting ready for the second pour. It's pretty good for a rebuild 454 with only 515 miles on it. So we'll figure out what happens on the second pour. So let's go. what type of power. Let's see what type of power.
I kind of figured you'd appreciate it.
I'll give you 50 right now. Within 5 minutes, I'll have a check in hand.
I already been offered a check for it. The highest I've been asked for was 65. She was like, let's go to the bank right now for it. I said, nope, still can't do it. I still can't do it. So guys, that was the first pull of Red Queen. Second pull, I mean. Second pull. We got more coming. Stay tuned, guys. Got more coming. Pack of cards out of my car.
You want what?
Let me get you a pack of cards.
Oh, okay.
All right, so the pulls are done. And she does good numbers. I'm very proud of her, guys. I'm very proud of her. Work done on the Mustang. Here's the owner's, one of the owner's Mustangs. All right, guys, so that's it. Did 2 amazing pulls today. Got the numbers on her. She looks pretty good to be a rebuilt 454. So what we're about to do now is take her to settle down as we start the rebuild. So thanks for looking, guys. Please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Continue to follow us on Instagram, on social media. We also have merch, guys. Don't forget to check the website out, www.musclecargang.com, and I look forward to hearing from you. Peace.